And Diana with Carol go to a gadget shop to buy some phone case or a new phone case. Diana and Carol's get into their parents' car, then go back home. Freddy and his parents go to IKEA to buy some stuff. Turn out that Freddy and Farah are actually a best friend during their childhood time. Hello guys, SHAHLIFE here and welcome to my channel. So this is step 2 or section 2 on how to solve Rubik Cube by using stories. So this is the section 2 or step 2. The main objective of section 2 is to fill in the second layer. So I name this section as second layer. Okay, so we already complete our first section, which is the base cross, right? So now the objective of this section is to complete the second layer, which means this is base, this is the second layer. So we will complete this section. Okay, so you will have like this is red, right? So this one is red, and green, and so on. So we will complete this part, second layer. Okay, so in step 2 we will have two stories. First story or story 1, we will need that story to complete the first layer, only this. And the second story or the story number 2 we will use to complete the second layer. Okay, this one. So combine of the first story and the second story, we will have 2 layers and complete these 2 layers. Okay, so we will start our first story, but before we start of all of the story, you will have a rule. So for story number 1, first thing you need to do is you hold like this, right? So this is our base, always like this. You turn the upper part of the cube, this is upper part, so you turn around until you get white, either this or this. You only look into this part. You don't need to look at the part, you just need to look at this cell and this cell, and you need to find white color. So we turn this around until you find white. So this is white, so stop until you find white. After you find white, so you sneak peek on the block. Okay, for this block we have white, blue, and orange, right? So you will need to place this block into the correct block. So this is blue and orange, so you will need to have like blue and orange, like this lah. So this one is blue and red, so this is not the correct place. And this, for this one, this is orange and blue, so this is the correct place, right? This is the correct place to place the block that we choose just now. So we just turn this around until you get to the right place, like this. So it's already in the right place, right? This is blue, this is blue and orange, and this one is blue and orange. So this is the right place, and you stop here. Now we will start our story number 1, which is Alex go to grocery. Why Alex? Because story number 1 is A. So Alex go to grocery. Okay, so we start our story. This is Alex go to grocery to buy some food. So he go to grocery to buy some food, and then after that he call his parent to pick him up. So this is his parent. Okay, because this is white, right? So yeah, white and white. So again, Alex go to grocery and he called his parents to pick him up. And then now Alex already finished his grocery shopping and go into his parents' car, and then just go back home. Okay, now already done for this. Okay, so we do the same stories until this one is complete, this one is complete, and all of the first layer is complete. I will work with you guys until all complete. Okay, same thing, you need to turn the upper part until you find either both of this is white. So now already white, so you just stop and you look at this cell, what is the color next to it. So this is red and green, so you will need to find place it in the correct place. So I think this is the correct place already, because this is red and green, right? Red, green, red, green. So we do the same thing, same stories. Alex go to grocery. He called his parents to pick him up. This is his parent. This is his parent. And Alex already done the shopping and go back, or go into his parents' car and go back home. Now we have already done this, and this is not done yet. So we search for it. So you turn around until you get white. Here we stop because we got white, right? So this is white, and this block have white, blue and red. So blue and red, you need to find the blue and red. This is blue and red, so already the correct place. So this block, you will need to place it here, right? So we do the same story. Story number 1. Alex go to the grocery and he's called his parents to pick him up, and Alex already done the shopping and get into his parents' car. Then lastly, go back home, and we only have one left. So we turn and we hold like this, because this is the only part that is not soft yet, right? So we turn the upper part until you get the white color. So this is the white color. You stop here, then you do the same thing. Alex go to the grocery, and his parents need to pick him up. Then Alex done the shopping, and then they go back. So now we have done the first layer. This one is first layer. We have done the first layer. After we finish our first story, so we will continue to the second story. So before each of the story, we will need, or we will have a rule, or what is the thing that you need to look at. Okay, the first thing to do for the second story, or the story number 2, is that you need to only focus on the surface part. Okay, you hold like this, right? This is surface. So you just focus on the surface, and only for the corner. This is the corner, right? So this is the corner. You only take a look on only this part. For each cell, or for each of the block, whichever contain yellow color, you need to eliminate them. So which means this is our plus, right? So this is our first block, second block, third block, and fourth block. So the block that contain yellow color, you will need to eliminate. We will not choose them. So we will choose only the block that have no yellow color. So for example, this block, because this block has no yellow color, so we can choose this block. If for example this block, it has a blue and yellow, so have yellow, right? So we will eliminate this block. So we will choose only the block that contain no yellow color. For example, you have more than one block that have no yellow. So for example, this one, this block, and this block. So you just need to only choose one. For my case, I choose this. So you choose the block. So you take a look on the surface color of its surface. So this is blue color, right? So this is blue color. After you choose the block, for example, my case, I choose this block. So this is red and blue. So this is blue, right? So you focus on the surface color. This is blue. So what you need to do is you need to change your cube position and make the blue facing you. So which means this is red, right? This is red facing you. So I don't want like this. So you will need to choose blue color facing you like this. This is orange, not correct. This is blue, then it's correct. So the cell or the block that we choose is here, in here, right? So what you need to do is you turn this around until you get the color in one line, like this. You can see this in one line. Okay, so we already want in one line. This is blue and this is the cell that we choose just now. And then you need to take a look on his partner color. So this is blue, right? So the partner of this blue is red. So you change back your cube into red facing you, like this. So now we can start our second story, which I call it as Brian Have a Quick Swim. Why Brian? Because this is story number 2 and we will start the person with B. Okay, so first, Brian with his parents, this is Brian and this is his parents, go outside his or their house, like this. And just Brian want to go to their pool and to have a quick swim, like this. Then his parents like wait for so long and he just go inside his house again. Then this Brian already done with his swim and then go back. And when go back, you need to change your cube position like this, and this white facing you. After Brian and his parents already inside their house, then for some reason they want to go to other shop to buy some food. So they go to a shop to buy some food. So in here you will see one little sister, which is Brian's sister in here. So his sister want to go back, so just go back. And the Brian and his parents already done the shopping and just go back like this. So this is the story number 2. Okay, now we will do the same story until your second layer is complete. Okay, so same things, you will need to just focus on the cross part of the surface and you select the one that contain no yellow. So for example this one, right, this 4 block that contain no yellow, so this one has yellow, so you need to eliminate them. So this one, so I choose this one because this one got no yellow. This one is green and this one is red. So same thing, because this is red, so you will need to have the red, this is red base facing you like this, and you will put this cell that you already choose on the same line like this. Now they have same straight line like this, right? Now the partner of the red is green, so you will need to face the green facing you, so like this. This is green and this is red. This is green, this is red, right? Then we'll start the same story, which is story number 2. Brian with his parents go outside his house. Then Brian want to go to the pools to have a quick swim. Then his parents just go back because it finds so boring. And then this Brian just finish the swim and go back. And when they go back, this Brian and his parents go to the shop to buy some food. Then you will see his sister in here, so his sister also want to go back home. Then Brian and his parents just go back. So I choose this because this has no yellow. I put it like this, so we'll have a straight line. And this is orange, so I will make the orange facing me and start the story like this. Brian go to swim and his parents go back, and Brian also go back, and now they go to the shop. Then his sister want to go back, and Brian and his parents just finish their shopping in the shop. Now we already complete the second layer.